What is going on, guys? We are back. We are again at Southington Off Road. We're actually wheeling with the guys from Simpson Family Jeeps today, so we got a few of their Jeeps in front of us and see what kind of trouble we can get in, so stay tuned. So here we are again. Maybe these mile marker hubs weren't the right thing. I don't know, because this one isn't engaging, and I'm not going through another day of wheeling the three-wheel drive. So we're going to pull this sucker out. We're going to put a factory one back in. So we did our obligatory picture down by the lake that everybody has to do here at Southington. So now we're out with all of our Simpson buddies doing one of these little trails. I don't know what this thing's called. I know it's a pretty good little climb. This sweet scrambler that SFJ built might have some trouble up here. I'm going to give him some space, but hopefully they still be able to watch what he's got going on. Look at him go. Nice. We're wedged in here real nice. This front diff is like in a perfect spot on a sharp corner of some concrete, where it just can't go backwards at all. Not happening. And of course the rear is in a same predicament. I'm actually grinding my drive shaft into a rock, and it's sitting on that diff as well. So we're gonna try to pull it forward. I think that's the best course of action here. Yeah, as soon as I slid off that rock, I knew I was in a bad spot. Turtle. Better memories after. Putting those rock rails to work. Oh, cross members? Oh, that's what they're there for too. Come drive her a bit. Driver. Driver. There you go. does a fine job of that. And it makes wonderful music.
Why is jet things just so underwhelming? Like, why is it just too hard?
It makes noises too. Cook it. Here we go again. I broke this hub again. I was doing a pretty dumb line, of course, but I mean, I wasn't pushing it that hard. So yeah, I think maybe these mile markers might be my nemesis. But the bright side of that is it protects my axle shaft. So I guess if it has to be a fuse, at least one that takes 5 minutes to change is a good fuse. So you can see I've already got pieces, parts. I saw there's a little chunk of aluminum falling out there. No, that's steel. Exact same break as last time. Broke all those teeth off inside of there, I guarantee it. I mean, you can see she ain't attached to nothing. Maybe next year. You can straighten it out now, Neil. There you go. Easy, you might hit diff here, maybe. No, I think you're fine. Straight ahead, go ahead. Ow. There's thorns in my back.
It looks cool as hell.
More wheelbase for that. You know how it goes. Of course I can't have nice things. Had this nice soft top on there, and of course I drug it in a rock face. Put a couple of holes in it. That's wonderful. But other than that, other than breaking 2 hubs today and ripping my top, the Jeep did fantastic. I put it through some stuff. I was denied on Blueberry Hill, which was a little disappointing, but I was by myself at that point. Didn't want to get too dumb, so I just backed off of that. But all in all, as always, it was a fantastic day here at Southington Off Road. Daddy Jeep did great, so we're off to Bantam now. We're gonna go work on the trails a little bit for the Trail Fest is coming up here in another month. So make sure you guys come see us at the Bantam Trail Fest. We always have a great time there. Nothing hardcore like we did today, but it's still a fun event. So make sure you come on out and check it out.